Welcome to 10th Standard Maths CBSE Quadratic Equations. Already we have discussed 15 sums. Now another 5 sums before you. Asked in previous examinations. 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 divided by b plus 1 divided by 2x. Asked in 2013. And 3 by x plus 1 plus 4 by x minus 1 equal to 29 divided by 4x minus 1, where x is not equal to minus 1 or 1 by 4. Asked in 2014. 18th question, 2 divided by x plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 into x minus 2 equal to 23 divided by 5x, where x is not equal to 0 or minus 1 and 2. Question number 19, 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 3 divided by 5x plus 1 equal to 5 divided by x plus 4, where x is not equal to minus 1, minus 4 or minus 1 by 5. Asked result in 2017. The last problem, question number 20, 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 2 by 3, where x is not equal to 1, 2, 3. Asked in 2016. I told you in the earlier video that the meaning of this, x is not equal to that. That is, when you are putting x equal to minus 1, this becomes 0. That means indeterminate. And similarly, x equal to 1 by 4, 4x becomes 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Indeterminate, like that. So, these values, if x assumes, you will get indeterminate values. That is, we cannot solve the problem. We cannot get the values of x. So, those things should not be coming. That is the hint. Now I will go for one by one. The question is, all the questions you have to find the value of x, solve for x. Now question number 16 is a good question compared to the other questions. In that way that you have something 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x and 1 by 2a, like that. First step, what you do is you write 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x and take this 1 by 2x here, so that you will be getting only 1 by 2a plus 1 by b will be on the other side. Now no other way, take LCM 2x, 2a plus b plus 2x is the LCM. Therefore here you will be getting 2x and minus of 2a plus b plus 2x. Similarly, here when you are taking LCM, this is 2ab, so this is b plus 2a. The 2 I can cancel. Numerator, on removing that, you will be getting 2x minus 2a minus b minus 2x. I am doing the cross multiplication also. This side will be ab. And this will go here, x into 2a plus b plus 2x, and whatever be the factor there, that is 2a plus b. It's a nice question, I said, because like this we are not coming across often. 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x equal to something, so I am taking the first step 1 by 2x and then I am taking LCM, so 2x comes and this, all these things there. On removing that, 2x get cancelled here, and also I have done the cross multiplication, so I have put ab here, and b plus 2a multiplied with this x into this. Now out of these two, minus if I take common, so what I will be getting, ab minus I have taken, therefore this becomes 2a plus b, that is equal to x into 2a plus b plus 2x into 2a plus b. So dividing both sides with 2a plus b, this goes. Now we go for simplification. So I will go to the upper side of the board, that is here I am writing it, I am after rubbing it off. So here you have minus AB, and there you have to multiply that. x into this, so 2ax, x into b, so bx, and x into 2x, so 2x square. Rewrite that. So 2x square plus x times of 2a plus b, or you can keep it as it is. So 2ax plus bx, and the minus comes this side, therefore plus ab equal to 0. Out of these two, you can take 2x, so x plus a. Out of these two, I can take b, x plus a. So we are able to factorize it easily. So the hitch in the first step. If you don't write the step that 1 by 2x here, then the problem will be a difficult one. So now what is the answer now? So 2x plus b into x plus a equal to 0, which means that x plus a equal to 0, x equal to minus a. 2x plus b equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to minus b, so x is equal to minus b by a. So x equal to two values, a and minus b by a. Now let me go to question number 17. 3 divided by x plus 1 plus 4 divided by this equal to this. Take LCM. So x plus 1 into x minus 1. So here it will be 3 times of x minus 1 and 4 times of x plus 1. That is equal to 29 divided by 4x minus 1. Remove the bracket. So this is 3x minus 3 plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 x minus 1 is x square minus 1. That is equal to 29 divided by 4x minus 1. This one simplification, 3x plus 4x, therefore 7x. 4 minus 3, therefore plus 1. The sign of the bigger number, 4 minus 3, 1. Now cross multiplying, you will be getting 4x minus 1 this side, and you will be getting 29 times of x square minus 1. Any doubt to anybody? So the problem is 3 divided by something and 4 divided by something equal to something. I am taking LCM, x plus 1 into x minus 1, 3 into this part and 4 into this part equal to this. So on multiplication and simplifying, I am getting 7x and plus 1. And this side will be 29 times of x square minus 1, 4x minus 1 comes here. Now multiply. So 7x and 4x. So this is 28x square and then plus 4x. Come multiplying this side, minus 7x, minus 1 into 1, so minus 1. This side, removing the bracket, I am getting 29x square minus 29. x square is there. So I am taking this 28x square on the other side, therefore becomes x square. Minus 7 and plus 4, so this is minus 3x. It goes to the other side, therefore plus 3x. Minus 1, it taking to the other side, minus 29 plus 1, therefore minus 28 equal to 0. 28x square, I have taken to the other side, 29 minus 28, 1x square. 4x minus 7x, simplification, minus 3x, it goes there, so plus 3x. Minus 1 goes that side, plus 1, minus 29 and plus 1, minus 28. Product is minus 28 and the difference is 3. So 7 and minus 4. 7 into minus 4, minus 28. The difference of 7 and 4 is 3. So it satisfies both. Therefore, the answer is x plus 7 and x minus 4 equal to 0, which means that x equal to 4 or minus 7. Question number 17 is very simple, usual thing. Now I go to question number 18. Question number 18 is on the board. 2 by something plus 3 by something equal to 23 by something, where x is not equal to 0 and minus 1 as well as plus 2. Let us take LCM. 2 will be there and remaining thing x plus 1 and x minus 2. Here x plus 1 alone is there, therefore 2. This 2 is there. In addition to that, remember that this step will be clear. Here is 1 2. Now I have taken the 2 outside. X plus 1 is there here, so it will be getting, you will be getting 2 into x minus 2. Don't forget this 2. Now plus 3, 2 times of x minus 2 is already there, so you have to put only simply x plus 1, and that is equal to 23 by 5x. Now 2 into this part, 2 into 2 4, 4 into x, or let me do one more step, 4 into x minus 2, and this is nothing but 3x plus 1, 3x plus 3 divided by 2 times of multiplication of this x square minus 2 plus 1, therefore minus x, and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, which is equal to 23 divided by 5x. On multiplication and removing the bracket, 4x minus 8 plus 3x plus 3 into 5x equal to this 2 into 23, so 46, 2 into 23 and x square minus x minus 2, 4x and 3x, so it becomes 7x minus 8 plus 3, so minus 5, that is multiplied with minus 5x. On this side I am removing the bracket, 46x square minus 46x minus 92. This one multiplication, 5 into 7, therefore 35x square minus 25x equal to this. So just check up whether we have done properly. 2 into this part, 2 into this part, so 2 already is there, so 2 into 2, 4 into x minus 2 will be there, 3 times of x plus 1, so multiplication 3x plus 3, and LCM is 2 into x plus 1 and x minus 2, so multiplication x square minus x minus 2, that is equal to 23 by 5x. Simplification, you are getting that 7x and minus 8 plus 3 minus 5, 5x into this equal to 23 times of this, 46 into x square minus x minus 2. On multiplication, 5 into 7, 35x square, 5x into 5, 25x equal to this. Now the next step, since 46x square is there, I am taking everything to that side. 46 minus 35, 11x square minus 46, and this minus 25 goes, the result is that minus 21x and minus 92 equal to 0. 46x square minus 35x square minus 46 plus 25 minus 21 and then minus 92 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this, 11x square minus 21x minus 92 equal to 0. The product is 11 into 92, I am not multiplying, just 11 into minus 92 I have written. It's a very big number, 11 into 92, if you multiply you will be getting 11 2s are 22, 11 9s are 99 plus 2, 101, 1012 should be the product of two numbers. Since it is a negative one, the constant is negative, therefore the difference of two numbers must be 21. So finding two numbers whose product is 1012 and the difference minus 21, a little bit difficult one. So what I am suggesting you is that go for factor 3. Since 11 is a prime number, I am not multiplying, that's why. I am just keeping it 11 into 92. The 92 I am splitting into like this. 4 into 23 becomes 92. 23 is again prime number. Now group it in such a way that you get your required one. That is 4 into 11, I am doing 44 into 23. So this product is equal to this. What is it? So multiplication of these two numbers will be giving you 1012. What is the difference of these two numbers? Minus 44 plus 23, therefore minus 21. So it is satisfied. So we got it. We got the values of, x. We got the factorization. Now let me rewrite this, 11x square. So minus 44x plus 23x minus 92 is equal to 0. The result is now 11x, you take it, and so you will be getting x minus 4, and here you take 23, you will be getting x minus 4 because 23 into 4 is 92. So you get the answer x minus 4 into 11x plus 23 equal to 0, which means that x minus 4 equal to 0, that is x equal to 4. 11x is equal plus 23 is 0, therefore 11x equal to minus 23, so x equal to minus 23 by 11. We have solved the equation. So only the problem is to most of the students is how to find the two numbers which satisfy that the product should be equal to 11 into minus 92 and the difference must be equal to 21. My suggestion is that go for such problem the factor tree. Keep the prime number as it is, don't go multiplication. 92. So this we know as 4 into 23. 23 is a prime number. So 4 into this is the 2 you can do, 2 only you can do. Stop with that and try all combinations. 11 into 4 I am doing 44 into 23. So difference I am getting minus 21. So product I got it and difference also I got it. So this can be the required numbers will be minus 21 can be rewritten as minus 44x plus 23x, and then the problem is becoming very easy. Hope the problem is very clear. I will go to the 19th. Question number 19. 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 3 divided by 5x plus 1 equal to 5 divided by x plus 4, asked in 2016, where x is not equal to minus 1 or minus 1 by 5 or minus 4. Take LCM. LCM is x plus 1 and 5x plus 1. So this becomes 5x plus 1. This 3 times of x plus 1 equal to 5 divided by x plus 4. So this is 5x plus 1 plus 3x plus 3. This x plus 4 come over here. The denominator is x plus 1 into 5x on multiplication. This is 5x square. X into 1 is x. 1 into 5x, 5x. And 1 into 1, 1. Equal to 5. Or you can take the next step also. Let it be as it is. So 5x plus 1. The next step 3 times of x plus 1. So on removing the bracket, 5x plus 1 plus 3 into s, 3s plus 3 divided by 5x square plus x into 5x, x into 1. 1 into 5x, 1 into 1 equal to this. 5x plus 3x is 8x. 3 plus 1 is 4 into x plus 4. That is equal to 5 times of this part, 5x square, x plus 5x, 6x plus 1. So this part is 5x plus x, 6x. So x plus 4 into 8x and then plus 4. Multiplication of this, you will be getting 8x into this. So 8x square, x into 4, so 4x. 4 into 8, so 32x, and then 4 into 4, 16. That is equal to here 25x square plus 30x plus 5. Now taking everything into one side, what will we be getting? 25x square is a bigger one, so I am taking to that side. 25 minus 8, 17x square. Here 30x and this 4 comes over minus, so minus 4, so it becomes 26x. I'm sorry, this part I should have simplified that. So let me do that. 8x square plus 36x plus 16. So now let me take all this thing to the other side. 25 minus 8 and 30x minus 36x, so minus 6x. 5 minus 16, so minus 11 equal to 0. So now 17x square minus 6x minus 11 equal to 0. The product is, don't do the product, you simply write the 17 into 11. The minus I am putting it here. The difference is minus 6. You are fortunate, 17 and 11, difference is minus 6. So the numbers are 17x square minus 17x plus 11x minus 11 0. So 17x is taking common. So x minus 1 plus 11 into x minus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, you have 17x plus 11 into x minus 1 0, that is x minus 1 0 or x equal to 1. 17x plus 11 equal to 0, otherwise 17x equal to minus 11 or x is equal to minus 11 by 17. So problem is become very easy because 17 into 11, but don't go for the multiplication and then breaking your head to solve the problem. You just keep it as 17 into 11. So the difference is very much clear that it is the difference of these two numbers is minus 6, which is very there. Therefore you can rewrite the problem in this way and solve it in no time. I go for the last problem for the day. Question number 20 is on the board. I am taking straight away the axiom x minus 1 and x minus 2 and x minus 3. These three factors should be taken as LCM. Now 1 divided by this, these two terms are there, so x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3 is there, therefore x minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 3. So this one simplification, 2x minus 4 divided by the denominator equal to 2 by 3. 2x minus 4, it can be written as 2 times of x minus 2 divided by, you have x minus 1 and x minus 2 and x minus 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. I can cancel x minus 2. I can cancel this 3 or 2 also. So what I am left out with this is x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 3. So that is, you have cancelled it. This also you cancel. What is remaining here? X minus 1, x minus 3, that is equal to 3. I can say. Or those students who are not very familiar with that, you just take it here and this 3 you take it here, you will be getting it. Anyway, you can do it. Now multiplication of this. What you will be getting that here, x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 3. When you are taking that 3 equal to 3 minus 3, so that becomes 0. So you are left out with the x square minus 4x equal to 0. Taking x outside, x minus 4 equal to 0, which means that x equal to 0 or x equal to 4. So problem is very, very simple and very easily we have solved it. So that completes this video, which has covered 5 questions asked in the previous examinations. I hope I have made it clear, and I also believe that you would have changed your opinion that maths was a difficult one if you had earlier. Maths is very interesting, and once you practice more and more, you will be doing it very fast. I wish that you practice, and the video is interesting and useful. And if you are not subscribed, why don't you subscribe now? And also tell your friends to watch the videos. I wish you and your friends to get 100 out of 100 in maths, which is very easy. and which will boost up your total marks also. Thank you for watching.